Hey, it's Keisha with your Textarot reading for the 11/11 portal, November 11th. Look at this, folks. I mean, I had to go ahead and just bring it out because this is where we're starting. The starting point is the blessing, right? We are about to be presented with a new slate of ideas, a new opportunity. And by the looks of it, looking at the rest of the cards, it's not only going to bring us reward, it's also going to bring us accolade and, fame and fortune, as it were. So there's a lot to look forward to. And being that the hand is outstretched over this barren wasteland, that's the space we've already traversed to be in this moment ready to receive. So very much has the energy of restoration of those lost years or that time gone by where you maybe have experienced some hardship, as again you've made yourself ready to receive such a fantastic blessing. Moving into the Two of Swords, notice the calm waters behind her. We have stilled the waters, and now is a moment of deep concentration, focusing on the inner, we're not giving any attention to outer circumstances, right? And if you notice what is before us, so if behind us is the calmness and the stillness that we have, that we have had to create within ourselves to be at this moment, the path before us is a blank slate. So while we're in this time of meditation, we're choosing which path we're going to move forward on. We have the ability to write our own ticket, to move forward into the space that we have designed ourselves. Definitely should draw on our intuition for this. We should be looking at things in the past where we have succeeded and integrate that feeling of success into whatever new direction we're going to take moving forward. And highlighting the precipitousness, or this moment is so big, we are so prepared for it. The High Priestess coming through the portal, the two columns on the side, coming through the portal with all the bounty that is behind her. We're ushering in this new stage, this new age that we're stepping into. Again, we're guided by our intuition. The same intuition that we see in the Two of Swords is now at our feet as we come to the High Priestess. We have, gone through our initiation, come through successful, and now we are in the seat of mastery. Again, the Strength card showing that we've walked right up to our challenges, and because we were in our highest and most divine selves, we were able to overcome it with ease. Literally like looking into the lion's mouth, but we have control over it. We are larger than the lion. We're larger than our problems. We've subdued them, and we can draw on infinite wisdom to remain in control. I love everything about this. I love everything about the walk we have taken that's brought us here. The possibilities that this portal is opening up for us are just fantastic, and I can't wait to hear of and see what this brings for you and what this brings for me. It's just going to be a beautiful ride. Everything is unfolding just as it should. It's very calm, very quiet, very loving. So I couldn't be more pleased, I don't think. And if I could, well, I can't wait to see what that looks like. Speaking of love and the energy that's going to take us through, I recently recorded a message or meditation on divine love through the color rose pink using the crystal rose quartz. And I think that too could be helpful in this moment. So I'll be sure to link it in the description, or not. Well, yes, I'll link it in the description box for those of you who are seeing this on YouTube. For those of you who are seeing this on Instagram, you can check the link in the bio and the rose quartz meditation should be right there in the first list when you pull up the videos. All right, good people, we are on to good things, and I am so happy for us. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.